I am late. I was at the psychologist and then I had to go chemist. Oh, I have to throw that. I haven't done it yet. So, I don't know. Oh, hang on. The pigeons are still waiting. Oh, good. I didn't see Buddy this morning. So, I don't know if Buddy is going to be out there. My cats, I was going to say kids. My cats weren't able to go outside this morning because I couldn't let them out because I had to go. And there's no point in letting them out now because I've got to feed the pigeons. Buddy? No, Buddy's not here either. Okay. Din Din! Oh my god! Hi! Hi guys! I'm sorry I'm late. I'm so sorry. Din Din is coming. Bless their hearts. Look at the babies. Oh, and the little sparrows are here too. Oh my god, they are my babies. I cherish these. Every single one of them are my babies. My heart just aches. Look at them. Look at them. Sorry, babies. I'm so sorry. All right. How am I gonna... Hang on. Sorry, my